Not selected in the 2025 H1B Lottery? Don't panic yet. I'm going to tell you about what might happen. My name is Rahim Dhanani. I'm a U.S. immigration attorney. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 25 years. Okay, so the first thing is that not everyone who is selected in the initial H1B lottery is actually going to file that application. And also, some applications will get filed, but they'll end up getting rejected for various reasons or denied. And so within a few months, the Immigration Service, what they're going to figure out is, well, we had 85,000 applications, and because a lot of them ended up not filing or were rejected for various reasons, we now have less than 85,000 visas that have been taken up. And so we're going to go ahead and run a second lottery to see if there are additional people that will qualify for the H-1B. So maybe sometime between May and July, we'll see a second round of H-1B lottery. I'm not saying that's always the case, but several times in the past years, we've actually seen that happen where there's been a second and a third round of H-1B lotteries potentially. So all is not lost. You may still end up getting into that lottery. If you had an initial application filed in the lottery, then you would potentially be picked up in a second or third round if there is one. But if you never filed for the first round, then you're not eligible for the second or third round if there is a second or third round. So keep that in mind. One thing you can do while you're waiting to see if you're picked up in a second or third round of the lottery is look at what other visa options are available. Could you maybe qualify for an L1 or a TN visa? I actually did a video a few years ago that breaks down a bunch of other visa options for people who didn't get into the lottery. I'm going to put a link at the bottom, and then also at the end of the video, there's going to be an area where you can click on this video to watch the previous video that I did. So, all is not lost. There's potentially still some hope. You might get picked up in another lottery. And there's also other visa options that you might qualify for that maybe you didn't think of before. So don't give up hope. Let's wait and see what happens. And also let's come up with a game plan where you can figure out some other visa options that might be available to you. I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you guys later.